everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Elena and this is my place where I create content mostly about beauty. If you are already a subscriber, then you do realize that something is different because I speak in English. I have to say that this is something that I was thinking for a long time, so one day I said, okay Elena, why not? Because it's my first time and my first attempt on doing a video in English, please forgive any mistakes that I may do. Today I wanted to create a spring-inspired video. If you're following me, then you know that spring is one of my favorite seasons. Combined with what else? Pink, which is one of my favorite colors, and glow, which is one of my favorite things in general. Even though it is super glowy, it is very easy, so let's go on and watch this tutorial. But first, please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up if you really like this video, and don't forget to follow me on social media. Okay, let's go on.
While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart.
So this is the final look. Very pink and very glowy and very fresh. Let me know what you think. Leave all your comments down in the comment section below. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you really liked it, and follow me on social media. Until the next time, take care. I love you very much. Bye.